In this video, I will show you how you can create a shortcut to any website on your desktop and taskbar so that you can easily access your favorite website from there. So let's start. First of all, open your favorite website on your Google Chrome browser and click on three dot option. Now click on cast, save and share option. Here you can see create shortcut option. Just click on this option. Now rename your shortcut and click create option. You can see here. In this way you can easily create any website shortcut on your desktop. If you want to open your favorite website, just double click here and it will open with Chrome browser. Number 2, open your Microsoft browser. Visit your favorite website. Now click on three dot option. Now click on more tools option. Here you can see pin to taskbar. Just click here. Click yes. Here you can see shortcut created. Now just click on this shortcut. You can easily visit your favorite website from here. In this way you can easily create your favorite website shortcut on your desktop or your taskbar. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and stay connected with us. Thank you.